Hello guys. So today I will be traveling via bus for Riyadh. I will only stay there for a day. So this is going to be a very quick trip. So I'm gonna show you what I packed. Okay, so first is this in this bag. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So this bag houses all of my documents over here, and this also has, this is a regular laptop bag, but I will use it for traveling now. So this is all my, you open, okay, this is all my toiletries. So I have my moisturizer, my hand cream, some deo that I put in a, this is a contact lens container, so I just repurposed it and put some balm and deodorant. This is another deodorant but in powder form, and this is my sunscreen. I have a liquid soap, my face wash, a mini uh, medicine kit. I have to replace all of this because I had coffee spilled there before. Then my lipstick, a comb, an ointment, and toothpaste, and a toothbrush. So that's it. Let's put it here. This is my art notebook. I have my sketch pad, and then I have my clothes here. I only have one shirt and my undies are here. I packed two, and one socks and some towels, mini towels. This is another art kit. It houses the paint. So the paint will be like this, and a travel brush, a water brush, a clip, two clips, and another brush. So that is it for my art kit. Okay, so I have Vitol, my handy dandy power bank, this pouch that has all my chargers and wires, and an extra bag. That's it. That's what I'm going to bring for this travel. So let's close it up so it's ready. Normally, I would bring this art kit. It houses everything. I've showed you this before, and it's still very handy. But this time, because I'm only staying for a day, I will be leaving this and only pack the essentials. Next is my iPad, my phones, and sunglasses. This is such a nice sunglass. I love it. A wallet, a book that I want to read, some face mask, tissues, snacks, a lot of snacks, a pen, a handkerchief, my mirror, this alcohol spray, gums, some candies, a hook for the bathroom so I can just put it anywhere. It has clips. You just hang it. It's very handy. You have to have those. Some eye drops because my eyes gets very dry. My earbuds, perfume, more candies, my lipstick, a fan. So this one works if you will attach it to the uh, power bank, like a eucalyptus scent oil. And that is it. That is everything that I will bring. I'm not gonna stay there for a long time, so I think this would suffice. I really think that this is more than enough for the trip, but I'd like to be prepared. So this is the bag that I put everything in, so it fits all of it here. And that is it. Thank you for hanging out with me. I know this is such a quick video, so I have to catch my bus. Bye bye.